Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can add your story to your highlights on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to add your story to your highlights on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, I want you to go to the story that you've uploaded, but if you don't have a story yet, just upload it and then come back to this video once you already have one. So to open your story, just tap on your story icon right here. And then you will now be on your story. So to add the story to your highlights, it's so simple. You just need to tap this highlight button right here. And then you will now see all the highlights you created on Instagram. So just select the one where you want to add the story, but if you want to make a new highlight for it, then just tap the new button. Then just put the name that you want for your highlight. And once you're done putting the name, you can now tap the add button. And after that, the story will now be added to your highlight. By the way guys, when adding a story to a highlight, you can only add one image or video at a time. So if your story has multiple photos or videos just like this, and you want to include them all to your highlight, you will need to add them one by one. And now that we're done adding everything, let's check the new highlight we've created. So to do that, just go to your Instagram profile. And then just refresh your Instagram. And then you will now see all your highlights, so just select the one where you added the story. And after that, there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully added your story to your Instagram highlights just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.